Imagine this. You've spent decades building knowledge, solving problems, and helping others. And now that same expertise can create a steady online income. What if I told you that you could take what's already in your head and turn it into an online workshop in just 24 hours? A workshop that could bring in an extra $3,000 or more a week? Hi, I'm Steve, and over the last 40 years, I've owned and grown 3 construction companies and 2 pain clinics. So after transitioning out of those industries, I realized something big. The knowledge I'd gained over the years could help others, and not just locally, but all over the world. That's when I discovered the power of online workshops. Today, I'm sharing 3 steps to create, launch, and sell your first workshop. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a new way to scale your expertise, this is the fastest and simplest way to get started. So step 1, pinpoint a problem you could solve. The key to a successful workshop is solving a specific problem. So think about your past experiences and the biggest pain point that people brought to you. When I ran construction companies, one common issue for clients was how to manage budgets on small projects without sacrificing quality. That became the core of one of my workshops. In the pain clinic, I noticed fellow practitioners struggling with how to market their health services effectively without spending a fortune. That's another perfect workshop topic. And don't overthink it. Start with what you know people are struggling with. And if you're not sure, ask. Maybe send a quick survey with an email, or ask questions in a social media group. You might ask something like, what's the biggest challenge in your niche? For example, like in construction or physical therapy, think about if you could teach one thing about your business, what would it be? You'd be surprised at how many people are willing to share their struggles. And that's where your workshop begins. Step 2, build your workshop in a day. Once you've identified the problem, it's time to create your workshop. And don't worry about making it perfect. Focus on providing value that they could take action on. Then outline the solution. Break your workshop into 3 to 5 steps that walks your audience through solving their problem. Kind of like this workshop, Mastering Small Construction Estimates. So step 1, identify hidden costs that would derail your budget. Step 2, learn how to calculate accurate labor rates. Step 3, present your bid like a pro to close more jobs. And here's another workshop example. Local marketing for healthcare services. Step 1, optimize your Google business profile. Step 2, use simple email strategies to retain your clients. Step 3, build referrals without feeling salesy. Keep it simple. Maybe create slides or a worksheet using free tools like Canva or Google Slides. Focus on clear visuals and easy to follow steps. And remember, your audience doesn't want fluff. They want results. Then you need to set your price. For a live interactive workshop, I'd suggest pricing in the range of $47 to $97. And if you're offering recordings, you can adjust higher as your expertise gains traction. Here we go. Sell it and show up. Now comes the exciting part, getting people to join your workshop. And here's how you're going to do it. Craft a compelling offer. When promoting your workshop, focus on the transformation that the audience will walk away with. For example, in just 2 hours, you'll learn how to manage construction estimates like a pro, saving time, money, and headaches. This workshop will show you how to attract 10 new patients to your health practice every month without spending a cent on ads. And be sure to highlight what's included, like the live session, worksheets, and the chance to ask questions. Now you need to set up a checkout page. Use tools like GHL, which is synced with Stripe. Create a checkout page where your audience can easily pay and secure their spot. Include key details like date, time, and a bonus, like a free workbook to encourage signups. Add excitement and promote with urgency. People need a reason to act now. You might try something like, we are limiting seats. There are only 25 spots available, and they are first come, first served. You might also offer early bird pricing, like sign up by Friday and save $20. And then it's also good to add a countdown email for everybody that signs up. For example, registration closes in 3 days. Don't miss out. And if you're starting with no audience, don't panic. Share your program maybe in relevant Facebook groups. And of course, follow their guidelines. Email a small list of contacts or even reach out personally to people who might benefit from your workshop. And here's a bonus tip. Record and repurpose. One of the best things about workshops is that record the session and turn it into a standalone product. For example, one of my past workshops on streamlining clinic operations brought in $3,500 in passive sales after the event. Here's why online workshops work. Workshops are powerful because they're focused, affordable, and deliver fast results. They're just a win-win situation. You help others while building a steady income stream. If you've been thinking about turning your knowledge into income, this is your sign. Get started today by following the framework that I guided you through in this video. And if you want more tips, resources, or step-by-step guidance, check the links in the descriptions below. Remember, the knowledge you already have is enough to change lives, including your own. Please leave a comment telling me what helped you the most in this video. I appreciate the subscribes and likes. If you know someone who might find this video helpful, please share it with them. Can't wait to see your brilliance shine. See you soon in the next video.